So this is the new one-bedroom overwater bungalow with plunge pool at the Four Seasons Bora Bora. This is one of the new bungalows that they installed about 6 months ago in the spring of 2019. The floor plan is the same. The biggest difference is that there is more updated modern style Polynesian decorations. So in the living room, there's a nice blue rug, big table, a couple of cushions, couch, and a chair. There's also wood Polynesian style shelves and lighting, along with shelving, and an expanded snack selection and cocktail mix selection, which is in addition to the room cost. There is, of course, a TV. Moving into the bathroom, we have a really nice walk-in shower with rain fall shower head. The shampoo, conditioner, and body wash are all in refillable bottles to be more environmentally friendly. And there is a little glass window in the bathroom floor. You can sometimes see fish here, usually at nighttime. Bathroom is double vanity with lights around the edges of the mirror, which is quite nice. Then you have a very large soaker tub for two that overlooks the beautiful scenery. It's another view of the living room. Over to the right is the bedroom, very spacious, sitting area, lots of closet space. And the main selling point is the outside. So there's 2 lounge chairs and the saltwater plunge pool, along with a dining area on the other side of the deck. In addition to the saltwater plunge pool, there is a deck where you can get into the lagoon, ladders to help you get back up, and an outdoor shower. So this is one of the mountain view bungalows, and you get a nice view of the island. And even though there's a lot of other people at the resort, it's very quiet and you feel like you are here all by yourself. So this is the renovated 1-bedroom overwater bungalow with plunge pool, mountain view suite at the Four Seasons Bora Bora.